This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheim Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
Hi everybody, my name is Valerie from the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center at San Bernardino Public Library. Before we start, we want to address that this is a more difficult project, so feel free to ask a friend or family member for help. And today we're going to show you how to make a kaleidoscope. So here are the supplies that you need. You need a pencil, scissors, masking tape, a clear folder, colored paper. You only need 2 of them, so I'm going to use pink and black. A ruler, plastic wrap, wax paper, and a cardboard tube. This is from a paper roll, a paper towel roll. If you did not have a paper towel roll, you could always use 2 toilet paper rolls and just tape them together. Just like this. Step 1, you want to grab your construction paper. Today I'm going to be using black, and your cardboard tube, and also a pencil. And you want to go on the corner and trace over the cardboard tube. The reason you want to do it on the corner is because once we cut it out, you're going to have all this extra construction paper, so you can use it on a different project, or you could also decorate it once we're done with this. Once we have the circle, you want to add a couple of tabs just so we could cut them out and it will fit the tube a lot better. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut around it. An easy tip to cut this would be to make slits. And go around the circle, just like this. It should look something like this. Now we want to go ahead and grab our tape so we could tape it down to the tube. should look something like this. The next step you want to do is grab your plastic folder, your ruler, and your cardboard tube, and some scissors. So first thing you want to do is cut along the side where it's closed so we can open it up. It should look something like this. Now grab your cardboard tube and your ruler, and you want to measure the diameter of your cardboard tube. So mine is about 1.5 inches. So you want to use that measurement to mark 2 points. So grab your Sharpie and mark 2 points from the straight edge. I'm gonna go to 1.5 inches because that was my diameter. And connect those 2 dots with the straight line. You want to do this 3 more times. 1.5 inches. One and a half inches. After you have 3 rectangles, make another little rectangle, but half of the regular rectangle that you already made. After you have this, you want to get your scissors and cut on the last line that you made. Next, take your ruler, and on the lines that you made, you want to fold them. And with using your ruler, we're going to make a straight edge and flatten it out so we can make a triangle. Now we have a prism shape, which is also a triangle shape. Once you fold the edges, make it into a triangle shape. So it should be like this. And make sure to secure it and put tape on it. So it should look something like this. After we have this triangle shape, now you want to insert it into this cardboard tube. if you need to cut it to adjust it to fit into your cardboard tube correctly, you can. All you need to do is cut a little bit on both sides of the last rectangle shapes, and it will fit much better. So it should look something like this. It doesn't have to be a perfect triangle, but it just has to have that triangle shape. Next, grab your plastic wrap and place it over the open end very loosely so we can start putting our beads. I'm gonna cut around this so it looks more clean. So now it's the fun part. We can start putting our colorful beads inside of it. I have a lot of beads to choose from, so I'm gonna put some pinks in there, some red. I also have this confetti, so I'm gonna put some in there too. After we have something that looks like this, we want to cut out a circle of wax paper that's a little bit bigger than this circle right here. Now we want to cut slits so it could fit better onto our cardboard tube. Place it on top and just tape. So right now I'm going to use some pink construction paper and wrap around the kaleidoscope with it. last thing you have to do is grab your pencil and put a hole right in the center so you can see through it. And look, your kaleidoscope is all done. Now let me give you a background of how it works. At the center of the pattern you produce by your kaleidoscope is the bead-filled triangle at the end of the cardboard tube. You can see it directly because some of the light that passes through the beads travels straight through the tube. Reflections around the central triangle are made by light that has reflected off one or more of the 3 shiny surfaces inside the prism. Each surface acts as a mirror, changing the direction the light travels, and so making it appear to have come from behind the mirror. Isn't that cool? Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like your kaleidoscope.